You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food. Thanks for stopping by the video today. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but there's a couple good reasons. One, I had to see how those original videos were getting listed by YouTube, and I wanted to make sure that they were ranking correctly and that they were getting some good views, which they are. They started to pick up actually in the last few weeks. And two, I thought this would be an excellent time to introduce my oldest daughter, Audrey. Audrey, bring in those eggs.
Here's the eggs, Dad.
Thanks. I think, well, I know she's cooked with me a lot. Actually, she's helped me out on a lot of Lucky Penny Shop videos as well as Lucky Mini Food videos. So I thought she'd be good to cook with in the kitchen. So it'll be both of us cooking probably from now on. So what do you think? You ready to make these Gordon Ramsay Scrambled Eggs?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So we're calling these Gordon Ramsay Scrambled Eggs because this is how he basically makes his scrambled eggs. Now you can add other ingredients, but first she's going to crack some eggs in the bowl. And then we'll head over to the stove top and we'll show you the next step. You could add chives, you could add mushrooms, there's other things. So we'll move on to the next step. All right, here we go. Now, you do not pre-scramble these. You get them set and then you pour them in and then you just slowly start mixing them. Let me get the butter for you, Audrey. With a little bit of butter. And you go probably on this stove, I know different than a regular stove, probably 15 to 30 seconds, and you keep mixing it, and then you take it off the heat, and it'll slowly start to change. So let me zoom in here for everybody. Okay, there we go. So as you see it start to cook, then you take it off the heat and mix a little bit more. Okay, so it's going to cook because the pan is hot. Now you put it back on the heat, and you keep doing this till it's just the right consistency. Not bad. It's starting to change just a little bit. You see eggs cooking on the side. All right, off the heat. All right, back on the heat, and then we're going to continue this, and as it changes, we'll check back in with you. Just keep going till you get it just right, so we'll be right back. All right, we're checking back in. As you can see, there's little eggs starting to cook, so you just keep doing this. How's it looking, Audrey?
Looks really good.
All right. We've made these together before on the real stovetop, so now in miniature. This will be our first time cooking these in miniature. And we have to get used to this stove, so she's just going to do that. And then as it cooks a little bit more, we'll keep checking back. All right, she's real close. How are they looking?
They're almost done, I think.
All right. So they're not going to be like scrambled eggs here in the USA. They're cooked a lot more. These are going to be cooked less, and then we're going to stop it at some point here real soon. We'll do one more transition off because they're kind of, I hate to say mushy, but they have a little like creamy consistency to them. I think you're close. All right, so the final steps now after she does that. Put that back on the stove top. And we'll give her a little bit of creme fraiche. This will kind of stop the cooking. We'll turn the stove off. There you go. I'm going to cross over you here. Okay, you mix that in. Now you can do a little salt and pepper to taste. All right, I think we're pretty good. So we're going to head on over to the tasting table and give our Gordon Ramsay Scrambled Eggs a taste test.
All right, here we go. Hot off the stove.
Ooh, those look good. So I finally have someone to share some food with on my second plate. All right, so that's me. Can I have a little bit more? Mm-hmm. Thank you. And I'll show everybody here what they look like up close. This is my Ramsay egg, so it's nice and creamy. All right, you got enough pepper on yours? I know you like a lot of pepper.
I like pepper on my eggs.
Here you go. All right, I'll go first, and then you go second.
Okay.
Just like I make them on the stovetop, you'll see.
Those are really good.
Tasty. All right, so thanks for watching our first video together. What do you think, Audrey? You're gonna have fun working with Dad in videos?
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, cool. So until we see you next time, I used to say until I see you next time. It's until we see you next time. Happy eating. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.